If you're into 3D printing, I'm sure you all have seen this. This is the Mova AtomForm Palette 300. And it's one of the craziest 3D printers I've ever seen. And I think we got one of the first interviews with the company of the most innovative 3D printer out there. You're gonna wanna watch this. I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Maker Build, and today we're talking with someone from the Mova AtomForm team about the Mova AtomForm Palette 300. Now this printer has 12 nozzles, a 300 by 300 by 300 build volume, print speeds up to 800 millimeters per second, and acceleration up to 25,000 millimeters per second squared. Now that is one fast machine. We're also going to check out the RFD6, which helps enable 36 colors on this printer. But what makes it work? The software behind it. And we're going to spend some time talking to the team about that. Let's get going.
I'm Brian DeLuca, and I am here at Rapid TCT at Mova AtomForm with Vice. And he's going to show us one of, I think, the coolest printers I've seen so far at the show. Vice, can you tell us a little bit about this printer?
Okay, I will introduce from three places: our hardware, our software, and our, how to say that, let's talk about just the model website.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Let's focus on the hardware right now. As you can see, the most feature is this.
Yep.
Yeah, it's our nozzle system.
Okay.
It can include 12 nozzles.
Okay.
Even in different diameter size.
Okay.
Yeah, and with this we can make a lot of benefits. As you can see, our tool head is one nozzle.
Okay.
So it means it's more light. So it means more fast. Yeah.
Okay.
And it's the most popular type in 3D printer. So it also means steady. It won't always going wrong.
Right.
And but its big problem in past is the filament waste, right? And because it's flush. But with this, we put one filament match one nozzle.
Okay.
So we can reduce 90% filament waste in printing.
Okay.
So when we print, or I will introduce the how to say that? 10% filament waste is the prime color. Yeah, and when we print a multicolor model, there's no filament behind the machine.
Okay.
Yeah, but there's a situation if the filament number is more than the nozzles, it still causes them flash.
Okay.
But we have a calculation way to auto fix this. So we will try to figure it out how's the best way to match filament and nozzle between front printing and front print and printing.
Okay.
And it's auto. Even there's some nozzles going wrong, and it causes the working nozzles number is down, and it is still can calculate immediately.
Okay.
It's auto, so we can choose the last flash way to it. So it costs the last filament waste and the last time waste.
So how does this nozzle system down here work?
I'm gonna show you the filament going here, and behind here there's a catcher.
Okay.
So the catcher will catch the nozzle, and with a switch and down and turn.
And pulls it down into there.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
And the down there is rolling and pick another one and back again.
And then it brings it back up and injects it into the head.
Yes, in a tool head.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So now, this, to my understanding, this could print in 36 colors, right?
We connect 6 boxes.
Okay, so connect 6 of these.
Yeah, one is 6 color.
Okay.
So 6 box is 36 color. Yeah.
Okay.
And that's the color. If when we talk about the different type filament, it can print 12 different type filament in one print.
Wow. Okay. So,
Yeah.
so 12 different types of material.
Yeah,
Oh, wow. Okay.
in one print.
In one print. That's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah,
Pretty cool.
and our tool head can achieve 350. The temperature is 350.
So you can handle most materials with it.
Yeah, and the bed is 110.
Okay.
Yeah, and when we print multi filaments, as you can see, there's the thing is two.
Yeah.
It normally is one, right?
Uh-huh.
Why we build it at two? Because if it's loading, the next filament can stay here and it's going to stand by.
So it comes to that point already.
Yeah, but when it's back, so it can load immediately, so it's more fast.
So you're saving time by almost preloading that distance.
Yes.
Okay. Very, very cool.
And you can see we focus on multicolor and multi-nozzles. That's the multicolors we want to show you, because as you can see, we have 6 plates.
Uh-huh.
6 plates around here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and both of them can print. And the up space from here can also drying.
Okay.
And it can drying and printing both together.
Okay. This is really unique. Can you tell me a little bit about the software and how it works?
Yeah. As you can see, this is our slicer, and it's built on Orca slicer. So Orca's feature we have, and we made some upgrades. In the past, the Orca slicer have some features like it used to be print one color, and it connect one device, and use one nozzle size, and work one project when you will print, right? And multi-project and multi-device.
Okay.
Let me show you. You can see here. First, here is the three printers, three device. These tools are ready to print, and this one is also is ready to print. But you can see the color is red, so it means going wrong. And when it print, it will show you the text name and its last time. And you can see it anywhere. And here's the multi-nozzle. You can change it.
Okay, with all the different nozzle sizes.
Yeah. And multi-color is no need to say. And we have this. This project have 2 plates.
Okay.
So if you want to print, in the past we slice it and send it, and we will wait until it finished.
Yep.
And when we waiting, we don't just wait. We will find the other project to view, right? And we need to save and close the old one, and open the new one. When it finished, we will to reopen the new close and save it, and reopen and reslice and resend. But for now, this is our new feature, the print.
And it's like a query of all the plates.
You can send it to the 3D printer, or you can select it and print right now. As you can see, these 2 are in same group 2, and these 3 in group 3. So that means same group number is one project, from one project.
So basically, you will run this print and then go on to the next print once you off your print.
So when you send it to a printer, this project is not to open again.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can print it anywhere from here, and here. And for the beginner, they used to see this, and it's too hard and too professional for them, right? So we build this.
Much simpler, I see.
Yeah, he could choose the qualify and the strength.
Oh, I got you. So it will make it a whatever, like more walls, or whatever the case is, if it's on strong.
Yeah, and when we talk about how to use, there's a lot. From this, when we added the filaments information, we added one and save, right? And I close and reopen again, right? But we can
repeat it.
You can save It's changing and saving one time.
Oh, that's so much easier versus each one.
Yeah.
Okay.
If they want to load, or when the nozzle is stuck, they want to fix it. You can see here we have PLA, ASA, and ABS, right? So when you select a temperature, we put it for you. This is PLAs, extrusion, purge, and this is ASA. So yeah.
So you can change everything.
Yeah, and the phase function is here. We'll show to the beginners.
Really easy, really simple, easy to access.
Yeah, and they may ask why I can choose more fast speed, right? And that's the reason.
Yeah.
So I will show them. Yeah. And there are so many details in our software, and
It seems like you've made it really easy for the user to access the features.
yes. So that's the point I used to say. Our product is made for customers and family. So we focus on 3 points: one is steady, and safety, and easy to use.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Bryce, thank you for your time. It was
Okay.
a pleasure today.
It's my honor. Thank you.
Now, this 3D printer was functioning in a show environment, and we all know shows can have issues. On this day, it was the Wi-Fi, but we got a demo of this printer in action. We actually got to see this printer running live, printing in real time, switching filament mid-print, and honestly, it was incredible to watch. But at some point, we're going to get one of these printers in the studio to test, so you may want to subscribe so you don't miss it. For now, it was my honor to talk to the Mova AtomForm team and to see the Mova AtomForm Palette 300 in the wild at Rapid TCT. For more on 3D printing DIY maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making. Oh, and I got a ton more Rapid TCT innovation coming in future videos, so you definitely want to hit the subscribe button.